Hi guys, so this is what my morning typically looks like when it's time to wake up. I usually just watch Diva's beautiful pretty face and snuggle with her for a little bit. She honestly is the apple of my eye, and I like it when she gives me kisses in the morning to wake me up. Super cute. And now that I've got my cuddles for the day, I'm going to quickly get out of bed and get into my bathroom. Yes, because that's where my beauty awesome morning begins. I'm going to quickly wash my face because, hello, we need to wake up. And the first thing we do is brush our teeth. And today I'm going to be using the Colgate Visible White O2. I have been using this for almost 2 weeks now, and this toothpaste has literally changed my morning routine for me. This is the first time that anything like this has been launched in India, and this has unique active oxygen based tooth whitening technology, and it has the power of 1 million active oxygen molecules that work on your enamel to remove stains and anything of that sort, giving you a beautiful white radiant smile in just 3 days. Yay! So when you brush your teeth, this actually unleashes a warming sensation inside your mouth and releases like a gentle wave of ultra fine whitening foam, which has millions of O2 bubbles. So I've prepared this little experiment here. I love my black coffee in the morning. I'm sure a lot of you guys also love your black coffee. And this is a little hap disc that they sent over. So this disc is very much like our teeth. So I'm just going to take this coffee mug right here and I'm going to immerse this hap disc into the solution and let it remain for about say 2 minutes. And once you're done with that, you can see how stained the hap disc looks. And this is definitely not how I want my teeth to look. Oh, here comes the Colgate Visible White O2. So here I have prepared a toothpaste slurry. I have dipped the coffee stained hap disc inside for about 2 minutes, and you can see how white this disc has gotten. This was so stained and so dark, and just by putting this inside this solution, it has given such amazing results. So now that you've seen how great the Colgate Visible White O2 works, I just want to say that I have actually been using this for about 2 weeks now, and to be really honest, I was kind of slacking in the oral care department for quite some time. Like, I'm just a lazy person when it comes to taking care of my teeth. I know I am being very lazy, but I also feel like this is great for people who are lazy like me, who just about want to, brush 2 times a day and say, yalla, I'm done with my oral care. And it not only gives you really nice fresh breath, also because of the variants that it has 2 variants, aromatic mint and peppermint sparkle. My personal favorite is definitely the aromatic mint because I like that minty kind of flavor that it has, and it gives like fresh breath for a very long time, which is also great. And it also comes in 2 different sizes, so you have a 25 gram variant and a 50 grams variant. It's I think about 250 for the 50 grams and 130 rupees for the 25 grams product. I think that this is a great investment for anyone out there who, like I said, is lazy like me and still wants to have perfectly beautiful white teeth at home. So yes, that is kind of what my morning routine looks like. It's pretty easy peasy, I think, and I am definitely going to be taking a lot more care of my oral health and my smile with my trusty Colgate White O2. So definitely check out the link in the description box for all the details and get your own, because like I said, it is the lazy girl's hack to having beautiful pearly white teeth. So yes, I think that is it for today. I am heading out because I have a really long, exhausting day, I guess, and I am like ready to get on with my day. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any further oral care hygiene hacks for me to look at. I would definitely love to check it out, and let me know what other videos you want me to shoot, because that's what I'm here for. I am going to shoot those. So I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. जल्दी डेट हो गया मुझे.